More and more homeowners use energy from renewable sources. In the Alps, for example, there are many small privately owned hydropower plants that produce plenty of green electricity. In most cases, this green energy is fed into the public grid at higher prices. For this excess power, there was money from the grid operator. This was profitable for the owner for a long time. However, the regulations for the rewards of green electricity are changing in many countries and decreasing. Therefore, wouldn't it be more efficient to use the green energy where it is generated? Unfortunately, natural energy sources do not always supply electricity consistently or exactly when it is needed. Batteries could be used to store the energy, but not for larger volumes, nor for a longer period, because the batteries would be gigantic and expensive. Our idea: how about turning electricity into hydrogen and safely store it in a metal powder? The concept is quite simple. Hydrogen is produced with the electricity from a water turbine. Bonded to a metal powder, the hydrogen can be stored as long as needed and converted back into electricity for when it is needed. Our system has a number of advantages. First, we capture the waste heat from the conversion process to hydrogen and use it to heat the house. Secondly, we use metal powder as a storage medium for the hydrogen that is generated. This method of storing hydrogen is very safe, as the hydrogen forms a particularly compact and stable bond with the metal. As a result, the storage tanks are much smaller than gas storage tanks. The whole thing has a name: H2G. Hydrogen in use for better utilization of green energy. The H2G storage system enables you to make better use of locally generated green energy, supply electricity and heat without climate-damaging emissions, and with the H2G storage system, you can realize long-term energy storage, which means you can store electricity in the summer and use it in winter. It was a long way from this idea to the working system. But now the first H2G system is delivering electricity in South Tyrol and in a house without a grid connection, making better use of green energy. Stay tuned and up to date at www.h2green.de.